This is Jeff with The Verge, and we're here with Corning and Jamie and Amin to take a look at Corning's new Gorilla Glass 2.
Perfect. So I'm going to start off with showing you non-strength and solar lime glass. This is a 1mm. We've upgraded the glass to introduce some field-like damage to the glass.
So what's the diameter of the tip of this thing?
Of the lever press?
Yeah.
So these are a few millimeter round abrasions. They're about 3mm round abrasions.
Okay, great.
Okay. So it's 43 pounds.
Okay.
Right. The glass breaks. This is 1mm Gorilla Glass now. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Can't break the glass.
Sure. Can I try?
Absolutely. Right.
No, it's really hard. That's
Yeah. So now what we've got is Gorilla Glass 2.
Okay.
20% thinner. Right?
20%
so the
thinner.
glass has higher damage resistance, so we can reduce the thickness by 20%.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah. Wow. So what is the actual breaking point for this? Like roughly, can you give us a number?
No, you know, in the lab we've taken it up significantly. I mean, it breaks. It's a very high breaking point.
Okay,
right?
sure.
It's a very, very high breaking point. Yeah. All glass will break.
Okay, sure, yeah. And when can we expect to see the first devices with Gorilla Glass 2 in them?
Gorilla Glass 2 devices. We've already made some press releases on Gorilla Glass 2.
Okay, sure.
We'll ask some of our marketing folks to come over and talk about that.
Okay, great. Well,
Made press releases, I think today with a couple of companies that are designing Gorilla Glass 2.
okay, great. Well, thank you very much.